Pay stubs contain important information about an employee's wages. Now, this information can be used to verify employment and income and to prevent fraud. However, there are many ways that scammers can create fake pay stubs, and these are happening more and more often. Fortunately, there are a few ways to spot a fake pay stub. We at PaystubHero.com have compiled a list of the most common ways to spot a fake pay stub. Number 1, basic company information is incorrect. If you notice any basic mistakes, such as a misspelled name, incorrect occupation, or spelling errors, that's a huge sign that the pay stubs might be fake. An accountant or online pay stub generator would spot these mistakes immediately and fix them before sending them to an employee. A pay stub will contain accurate employee information from the business system. With that being said, there should be no room for mistakes. Number 2, the numbers and decimals should all be aligned in the correct order. When accountants make paycheck stubs, they make sure that all the numbers and decimals line up. Now, this way, it's less likely for there to be any mistakes or confusion. A fake paycheck stub will look like it's made on Microsoft Office, while a real one clearly will have been created using accounting software. Number 3, there's a clear difference between the letter O and the number 0. Now, when trying to detect a fake check stub or pay stub, the tiniest of details matter. On the pay stub, there should be a distinction between the letter O and the number 0, which is frequently crossed out. Now, people who create fake pay stubs don't bother checking for these minor distinctions. Therefore, there's another good reason to conduct more thorough research. Number 4, check for estimates and roundings. Now, real authentic pay stubs are produced by certified accountants or accounting software generators, and they care about every single penny. Now, this means that there shouldn't be any large estimations or rounding up when creating your pay stub. If you notice way too many numbers rounded to the nearest 0, unrealistic estimates, or figures that don't appear correct, you might be dealing with a fake pay stub. Number 5, the pay stub should be easy to read. If a pay stub is difficult to understand, the figures don't match, or the format appears incorrect, it's likely fraudulent. Now, although there is no such thing as a perfect pay stub example, one that is genuine will always be easily readable, with paper of high quality and ink. A pay stub that has low quality should not be overlooked, even if it comes from a small firm or a family business. This should have no impact on their accounting quality. Check out our site today. Do you still need help understanding your pay stub, or do you want to create one yourself? Visit PaystubHero.com for more and use our online pay stub generator to create your own accurate, error-free pay stubs in minutes.